Guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. आज का vlog बहुत ही स्पेशल होने वाला है because we are going to Seletar Airport for Jet Aviation visit. तो यार बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. अब वहाँ जाके मालूम पड़ेगा कि क्या क्या सीखने मिलेगा, क्या क्या नहीं. So let's go. जर्नी में बने रहना मेरे साथ. It's gonna be fun. आज थोड़ा सा हमने करण जौहर स्टाइल डाल दिया, so थोड़ा लुक भी अलग दिख रहा होगा सब लोग को. But yeah, so far so good. Let's go. जल्दी आ गया सो सोच रहा हूँ कि कॉफ़ी ग्रैब कर लूँ. But look at this Gulfstream and G5. Wow. Before going ahead to this video, I just wanted to tell you that what is exactly Jet Aviation is all about. So this company basically have a charter flights and they do manage that. They have aircraft maintenance and aircraft management and the staffing and all. So this company is all about more and much more, not just this. So let's go and have some knowledge about this. I hope तुम लोग को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा और तुमको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने मिलेंगी. What exactly works in the aviation industry. So yeah, so far so good. Let's go. So sorry, मैं वहाँ पे गया था but the thing is due to some restrictions and security reasons मैं कुछ शूट नहीं कर पाया. But I give you much brief okay over here. The thing is कि जब मैं वहाँ पे पहुँचा मुझे एक like visiting pass मिला. Then we went to inside. Then हमने डायरेक्टर से मिले उधर. Then उन्होंने एयरक्राफ्ट मेंटेनेंस के बारे में बहुत कुछ नॉलेज दिया हमको. काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा हुआ वहाँ पे. एंड द थिंग इज़ कि जेट जैसे मैंने बताया था कि जेट एविएशन mainly focus on the maintenance part and the private charters. Okay, they provide customer their like lounges and all, crew management, aircraft management, plus many more. You can go on their sites and check it out. Looking for any big opportunities like in AME, if you have done AME, so Jet Aviation and many more companies are like gold mine for you. यहाँ पे आके वो कर सकते हैं because they need you. एंड उनकी वेबसाइट पे बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ खुली है. यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. आगे का व्लॉग लेट्स कंटिन्यू नाउ. हाउ आर यू फीलिंग ओवर हियर?
I'm rich, bro.
You're rich?
My budget is upset.
The thing is, the only problem is we can't take pictures, we can't take videos over there. Otherwise,
It's a bad thing.
it's a bad thing. But don't worry, we will share with you the
After we buy the private jet, we can show you.
They have a lounge also.
Yeah, they have.
Alright, we just came back from Jet Aviation. Karthik, how was your experience? Great experience. All the jets, private jets, everything was there. And कुछ एक brief summary देना चाहिए. Brief towards audience, like towards MRO and all, something. They have a really good opportunity for MRO people, especially the aircraft maintenance on AME and all. If you are looking for that, you can come over here.